Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the owner of Acorn. I know, this is a bit of a random topic, but I've been getting a lot of questions about it lately, and I thought it would be fun to do a video on it. So, who is the owner of Acorn? Well, the answer is actually a bit complicated. Acorn is a publicly traded company, which means that its shares are owned by a lot of different people. In fact, there are over 100,000 shareholders of Acorn. However, there are a few large shareholders who own a significant stake in the company. These include Vanguard Group, BlackRock, State Street Corporation, Fidelity Investments. These four companies together own over 20% of Acorn's shares. So, who is the largest shareholder of Acorn? Well, that would be Vanguard Group. Vanguard owns over 8% of Acorn's shares, making it the largest shareholder. BlackRock is the second largest shareholder, with over 7% of the shares. State Street Corporation and Fidelity Investments are both tied for third place, with each owning over 6% of the shares. So, what does this mean? Well, it means that Acorn is owned by a lot of different people, but there are a few large shareholders who have a significant stake in the company. This can be a good thing, as it can help to ensure that the company is run in the best interests of all shareholders. However, it can also be a bad thing, as it can make it difficult for shareholders to have a say in how the company is run. So, what do you think? Is it a good thing or a bad thing that Acorn is owned by a lot of different people? Let me know in the comments below. In addition to the large shareholders, there are also a number of other people who own shares in Acorn. These include employees, customers, suppliers, pension funds, charitable organizations. So, as you can see, Acorn is a very widely held company. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Here are some additional points that you could add to your script. You could talk about the history of Acorn. You could talk about the products and services that Acorn offers. You could talk about the challenges that Acorn faces. You could talk about the future of Acorn. I hope this helps. Here is a summary of the script. I started the script by asking a question about the owner of Acorn. I then provided some background information about the company. I explained that Acorn is a publicly traded company, which means that its shares are owned by a lot of different people. I also discussed some of the large shareholders of Acorn. I then asked the viewer what they thought about the fact that Acorn is owned by a lot of different people. I ended the script by thanking the viewer for watching and inviting them to subscribe to my channel. Here is a call to action. I asked the viewer to leave a comment below with their thoughts on the topic. I also invited them to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Here is a question to ask the audience. What do you think about the fact that Acorn is owned by a lot of different people? Here is a link to a related video. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=DQ4W9WGXCQ. I hope this helps.